What's up guys, it's Amber and welcome to part 2 of eating Korean meals for a full week. So if you don't know me, I'm Amber, I'm 21 and I'm half Korean, half white. I don't speak Korean and I've never been to Korea. Sometimes I struggle with feeling a bit detached from my Korean side, and in recent years I've wanted to get more in touch with it. So I figured doing a week of Korean meals would be a great way of doing that, and it's a good excuse to eat some delicious food. So if you guys haven't seen part 1 yet, you might want to watch that one first, or don't. Do whatever you want. Who am I to stop you? But yeah, it's been a great week of eating so far. I'm so excited I've been able to show you guys these recipes, and the best ones are still yet to come. So without further ado, let's jump back into day 4 of Korean Eats. Good morning guys, it's day 4. It's a Monday. I have class soon. I'm so tired. I ate my leftover yachaejeon for breakfast, the veggie pancakes. Let me tell you, those are so good as leftovers. They get so crispy when you reheat them. Basically, my whole life is a series of making food and then eating leftovers. That's all I'm doing. I don't know what we're gonna eat for dinner tonight, but I'm really excited. It should be yummy. Oh my god, we're freaking side part and nobody told me. Guys, no. So I'm about to go to my Korean cinema class to watch another movie. Let's get dressed for class. Because I forgot to film my breakfast, so now you get to see me pick my outfit. Outfit change in 3, 2, 1. New outfit. I feel like I'm dressed like my aunt or something, or my mom in the 90s. Just going with a little basic outfit today. Again, I'm doing no makeup. Sorry guys, I cannot be bothered. And that's about it. Now I'm just gonna keep editing until I have class. I'll see you later for dinner. What's up guys? I got the brother back here again, and tonight, what are we making, Andrew?
I don't know.
Andrew does not know.
Confused me.
We're making tteokbokki tonight. Andrew thought we were making tteokbokki, which is like the New Year's Eve soup, and that has rice cakes, but they're like flat and thin. These are the candlestick shape, and you eat it with like gochujang. I'm sorry we're not making your favorite soup. We're just gonna be making these tonight. These became very TikTok popular this year. I'm not the biggest fan of them, but I'm gonna see if I can really spice it up tonight, make it real good. So we've got all the ingredients right here. Gochugaru, dashida, which is like beef flavored MSG. Literally so good. Maple syrup, sesame oil, the rice cakes. These are dried shiitake mushrooms. I'm gonna see if they do anything to it. It's not a usual ingredient. Gochujang, the red pepper paste, and soy sauce. But before we start cooking, I have leftover veggie pancakes from the other night that Andrew didn't get to eat. Do you want to share this one with me, bro?
Sure.
Bruh, do you not like these?
I don't know.
These are so good.
I'll try it.
Andrew, this is literally so good.
I'll try it. Remember when I won the competition?
Yeah, when we made this on Ash's channel, Andrew made the
hush puppies.
엔주야, 얄팍하게 해야지. 얄팍하게.
So I messed up really bad.
Literally since we made that video, I've been craving these every day.
Ooh la la.
Isn't that good? This is my favorite thing I've made so far this week. So first we gotta open this bag and we're gonna throw it in a bowl because these are all kind of like stuck together, so if you put it in water they'll separate easier. Also, I was wearing this earlier. This is my birthday last week. Bro, no reason to hurry up.
I'm hungry.
You just ate at the cafeteria. What did you eat for dinner tonight?
A burger.
You guys speak up also.
A burger.
Also, these are like already separated, so this was actually pointless. Here's all of our rice cakes. The rest of this kind of happens at the stove. You kind of just like pour the ingredients in there. Also, if you didn't know, tteokbokki is rice cakes in like a spicy sauce. That's pretty much it.
Let's start.
Let's start. Oh, and I think we're gonna make 2 flavors. One's gonna be the original spicy one, and I'm gonna make one that has no gochugaru, which is no spicy, just sweetness, just so yummy. So I got 2 pans, and we're gonna get started.
Okay.
Let's go. So we got 2 pans over here. Spicy one, non-spicy one. Start by bringing some water to a boil, and then you throw the rice cakes in. So this actually might take a second. Some time has passed, like 2 minutes. Now the water's bubbling. I'm gonna throw in half of the rice cakes here, and my mom said you don't want to overcook these, because then the whole thing turns into like a gluey mess, and these like basically disintegrate. Not fun. I'm gonna pour out some of the water. Okay. 1 spoonful of gochujang, so just estimate that. Gochujang. I need 2 spoons of sugar, because just estimate that. You need 1 spoonful of soy sauce, 1 spoon of sesame oil. Next we're gonna add this dashida. This is basically just like beef seasoning. It tastes so good. This is the base to all Korean soups. Literally the flavor's insane. We're gonna add a half a spoonful of this. That's enough, that's enough. Now we get started on the sweet one over there. For the sweet one, I'm gonna throw in a shiitake mushroom. This is a dry shiitake mushroom. This is not in any recipe, but I just thought maybe it would make it taste like more stuff. Oh, I think these are getting overcooked.
Mine's chilling.
Yeah, Andrew's is chilling. Mine is kind of flopping right now. Okay, now I'm gonna add the flavors into mine. When we were younger, I remember our mom would always use maple syrup in this for us. She would give us like just a sweet one with no spiciness. Oh, this is absolutely closed. And the bottle is somehow already covered in syrup, so it's really sticky. Anyways, maple syrup going in. Sesame oil. Wee.
Mine looks done.
Okay, yeah, we should take yours off the heat then. But your sauce isn't thick enough. Sesame seeds. Wee.
Give mine some.
Okay. And then we actually need green onions too.
I think this SD card only has 3 minutes left on it.
Oh.
It says 2 minutes now.
Okay, let's swap it out. Andrew keeps eating them.
They're overcooked.
They're overcooked.
Yeah, they're so soft.
Andrew, stop eating them. Can you film me for 1 second?
My hand's gone.
Andrew. Oh my god, come on, brother. Go wash them. Go wash them.
It's so hot.
For the AC. That is funny.
I'm ready.
This now.
This one has 4 minutes on it.
Okay, you know what? Okay. I can't. I'm not a perfect person, literally. We're going in with the green onion. Chop, 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 chop. Now, look at your pants freaking emptied.
Ooh, it looks so good now.
It looks so good now. Okay, let's pour this into the freaking bowls. Here's our 2 tteokbokki. This actually looks kind of busted. I think this might be the first time I'll ever enjoy tteokbokki. Okay, so this is certified awesome. Here we go. Okay, Andrew's been eating literally the whole thing as we've been cooking. It's official taste test time. I got the sweet one, Andrew got the spicy one. Cheers. Okay, wait, that's really good.
That's good.
The flavor is crazy.
I've got hair in my mouth.
Whose hair is that? Yeah, I don't think it's overcooked. They're still in pretty good shape. How would you rate this out of 10, bro? This is like the best tteokbokki I've ever had. If you're bad with spice like me, make this one. This is like what I grew up eating. It's so good. Try mine. So few ingredients, but so much flavor, literally. I thought it was weird when it got TikTok famous. Maybe this is worth the hype. Which one is better, this or cheeseburger?
This, but it's so spicy.
Yeah, good luck to you, man. If we were crazy, we'd throw some cheese in there. On TikTok, people are doing that. It's not like the traditional way, because there's not really dairy in Korea that much traditionally. But all of a sudden, every Korean food's got tons of cheese in it, so.
I love cheese.
I'm enjoying the HE double hockey sticks out of this. I'm just kidding. This and the veggie pancakes are tied as my favorite thing I made this week. What do you like better, this or the kimbap?
It's a little fresher. My mouth is on fire.
You need water? Okay. Cabinet tour. Oh, okay.
Jesus.
Well, I believe that's it for day 4. Tteokbokki night was a success. Major W. You have any final thoughts, bro?
Very good.
Yeah, now we got a lot of homework to do, so we'll peace out for now. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Good morning, guys. It's day 5 now. For breakfast today, I'm eating the last little bits of my leftover veggie pancakes. This is literally my favorite food. Oh my god. If there's anything I think you guys should try from this video, it's this. Literally, the flavor's so good. I love a savory breakfast. Anyways, I have class in a few hours. I'm just gonna chill and edit until then. And then I think tonight for the final recipe of my video, Andrew's gonna come over and we're gonna make these dessert pancakes. They're these sweet, like kind of mochi-like pancakes, and they have a brown sugar and nutty filling. Desserts aren't that common in Korea because my mom told me they didn't have ovens for a long time in Korea, so they couldn't really bake things. So that's why this dessert is like a pancake. It's made on a pan. So I'm super excited to make those. It's a really like messy recipe, like really hard to make, so it should be fun to watch us make it. I'm just enjoying the hell out of my life right now. This is so good. Veggie pancake. I'm doing a 5-day week for this video. It's a business week, mostly because I can't think of 7 meals to make, and my fridge is getting way too full of leftovers. I'm just gonna head to class, and then I'll see you later for dessert. It's pancake time. It's day 5. It's the final meal of the video. We're making these dessert pancakes. This is called hotak. It is a chewy pancake with a brown sugar and nut filling. I got the bro here again. What's up?
Hello. I'm terrible at making these, by the way.
Me too. I'm actually kind of horrified. This is like one of the more difficult things to make, and it's so messy. That's why I saved it for the last day with Andrew, because it should be really funny. And all of the directions are in Korean on the back, so I'm like, ooh, it looks like we are just gonna be guessing. I kind of looked up everything. You have to use yeast.
What is which? This has to be the
That's
filling.
the filling.
Okay.
Okay, so we have the pancake mix, the sweet nutty filling, and yeast. We gotta dissolve the yeast and the dough in warm water.
Cup?
Yeah, 1 cup.
Wow, I'm literally a beast. That's like
An exact cup?
yeah.
Damn, you're literally a beast. Put it in. Oh, brother.
You didn't see that.
Oh, I just spilled the yeast on the counter. Anyways, in goes the yeast. Ooh, yeast is so cute.
Wait, add this in?
Wait, can I show them how the yeast looks?
Uh-oh, I fucked it up.
Oh no, it was cute before. It had like a little geometric pattern on the top. Now you add the rest of the flour, I think. Little spatula, we do a mixy mix. This dough is so cute. It's like so soft. I just want to eat this right now. It looks like ice cream. Oh, it's wheat and tapioca. That's why it looks so yummy. And that's why it ends up so chewy at the end. Because like the same way boba is made out of tapioca and it's chewy, this is made out of tapioca. Yeah, need that dough. You gotta knead it for 5 minutes apparently.
It's great.
It's great. Oh my god, you're doing like slime squishes? Slime, so satisfying. Andrew, have you ever wanted to start a slime business? Me too, literally.
Let's make slime today.
Yeah, let's just like ditch the whole YouTube thing, just start making slime.
I mean, like, let's make a slime video.
Oh, we should make a slime video.
I can throw it in my hair and be like, oh no, but then it's
And then we
water just dissolves in water, so
It's water. Yeah, water soluble. What if we like throw all the slime in your hair and then we just like shave your head at the end of the video?
No, I want long hair.
Okay, whatever. Mr. Buzzkill. More like Mr. Buzzcut. That's That's you after the video with no hair. This is hard because this is like a really wet dough all of a sudden because it absorbed the water. You gotta just kind of like punch it.
What does kneading it do?
It develops the gluten and that's what like makes it chewy. What's funny is Andrew used to be like so into slime. I don't know what grade you're in. Are you like in 7th grade? He bought like giant gallons of white glue, borax, and it's like still laying around our house. But that era was kind of awesome. And that seems like the best business to own.
I gotta ban it.
You got slime banned at our high school? How did you do that?
I got it in a girl's hair.
You never told me that. Wait, who? Who is that?
Exactly.
Exactly. She deserved the slime in her hair.
I threw it up and she just was like, ah, and just went.
No way! Was it like a really big issue? Like, could she get it out?
I was like, just put water in it. The nurses were like, we can't put water in her hair.
Laura, do you know what kneading dough does?
Yeah, it develops gluten.
That's literally what I say and you wouldn't believe me. By the way, this is roommate Laura back again. Caitlin can't eat it because there's peanuts.
I will eat the ones that Caitlin will not eat. I'm so happy and will be so glad and appreciative.
ASMR.
I want to eat my teeth.
What do we do now? What do we do now?
Now we start the filling. Now we gotta really oil up our hands because this dough is so sticky and we have
we
to
just
fill it.
put like this filling in it?
I think it is like you just put the dry filling in it and when you heat it, it like melts.
Laura?
What?
We do.
Laura,
Yeah,
explain.
that's what you do. Yeah, that's how you do it. It like
Where's
the sugar
the
will
grease?
melt when
Is
it's on the
this
stove.
grease?
Am I totally blocking the frame?
Oh, no,
I
you're
totally effed everything up. Oh my god, worst
so
meat ever.
good.
I'm leaving the lease right now.
Yeah, you gotta get the oil all over your
No,
hands.
it's like really all over my hand.
Yeah, it's okay. Hey, bro, show the camera.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Here's what the filling looks like. It's very light brown, just like brown sugar and nuts. Yeah, you handle the dough and I'll scoop it in. Show them your little pan. Now we gotta fill it. Whoop-dee-dee-scoop. Scoop-dee-loop-dee-poop.
Ba ba ba.
Ba, ba, ba. Yeah, bro, you're
Yeah, I'm
crazy.
getting good at this.
Yeah, you're getting real good at this.
Look how fast I did that. Wow.
Yeah, that was
Well, that-
actually like speed run AF. You never want to overfill these because then it becomes like a real sticky mess when you cook them. He's doing a little fold over. He's making like empanadas basically.
corner.
Another one. I love how I invite Andrew over and I say, hey, do some manual labor for me. Thanks. Nice. Andrew, that was so fast.
Oh, look at that. It's just so clean.
Okay, now I'm gonna make a brown sugar one for Caitlin that has no nuts. Because otherwise Caitlin will be dead in our house and that would be so sad and so awkward.
More awkward than sad.
Yeah, I'll feel more awkward than sad if
Like,
Caitlin
oh,
dies.
that's really awkward.
Maybe this could be my last meal.
Will be a great last meal.
Also, wait, do you want to say hi in the video so that they know who Caitlin is? Or you could.
Oh my god, me?
Yeah.
Or you can just stay anonymous.
The Caitlin we're talking about is my other roommate. Caitlin! Welcome, Caitlin!
I am so allergic to peanuts.
Yeah, we gotta do something about it!
Andrew's gonna sneak peanuts into my thing, I just know it.
Yeah. Putting the brown sugar in. Okay, and then if you want to sprinkle some sesame seeds.
I can play like Russian roulette, so it's like you mix them all up, and I
Yeah.
just gotta feel lucky.
That would be the awesome finale to my video. Caitlin just dies.
Memoriam of Caitlin.
No, this one.
Oh, it exploded! Andrew's just exploded open. Making the last little pancake. Slap, 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 slap. Does anyone remember when I turned into Bulby when I got my wisdom teeth out?
Yes.
Yes. Sugar time. Now time to fold it over. Let's do this, let's do this. Fold it, and fold it, and fold it. Bing, bing, bing. Perfect. Our final pancake is done. Now it's time to head to the stove. Caitlin, I'm gonna make your little pancake first so there's no cross-contamination.
Thank you, Mama.
I am cooking mama. I'm gonna squish it down because you want these to be pretty flat. Like a pancake, of course. Bing, bing, bing.
Wow. Whoa, that's huge and it was small.
I know.
I'm about to have the biggest pancakes ever. This
Yeah,
is
yours are gonna be
awesome.
gigantic. Try and flip it like this. Andrew, you're crazy!
I used to be a chef.
What?
Mm-hmm.
When?
Culinary chef. I went to school for it.
Okay, I think we're ready to take off the stove.
I'm a little worried for mine now.
Why? Because they're gonna be gigantic?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. That's why I told you to make them tiny.
Come back.
Put in the bowl.
Come here.
No, they have to go do
Come
the
here.
tasks. I don't know.
Bite right
Come here.
It's literally so hot. It's gonna be like way too hot. Like that's
No. Be perfect.
Oh, that's
We'll be
funny.
back in like 3 minutes.
Yeah, that's literally perfect.
Okay.
Time to start the other ones while this one cools.
We'll see how this one pans out. Ha ha ha.
Andrew actually used to be a chef and a comedian.
Full time.
Full time.
Oh, now there's 2 holes.
It's okay.
But at least like half
This
fixed.
one looks really good, Amber.
Thank you. That's Caitlin.
Whoa.
Yeah.
She better not be too far away lest I take a little nibble and put peanuts in it.
Yeah. I love the joke about putting peanuts in Caitlin's food.
Why don't we do
Nothing is funnier than this.
We always make that one too.
Yeah, let's just put some peanuts in Caitlin's food. How about that? Bing, bing, bing. This is kind of heart-shaped. The yeast in these are going crazy because they're like getting so tall. Could you try and make one heart-shaped?
try?
You can try. Andrew, you're gonna make them have like layers like croissants now. He's like folding them in half a bunch of times so that they're getting layered instead of having one pocket.
No, it's fine.
Oh, Andrew, I'm so sorry. Oh, it's spilling. Uh-oh. It's okay. Andrew, it's okay. Nice.
What's going on?
POV your Andrew in the kitchen. Oh, I'm cooking this so well.
Oh, there's none.
Oh, I'm so happy.
There's no thoughts.
There's no thoughts? What is in your head instead of thoughts then? Just white noise. Those do look really tasty.
Oh, delicious aroma.
Delicious aroma. Yeah, it's kind of nice when the stuff leaks because then it does get real nice and crunchy. I'm trying to make a little heart guy. In he goes. Oh, he's already messed up. Ooh, I got it. Hey, he's actually looking pretty good. Okay, that's actually pretty decent. Flip time. Hey, he's a little toasty. Looks yummy though. This is our last one, and then we can do a little bit of a taste test. The pancakes are done. The nutty ones and the single non-nutty one. Roommates, you want to get in there to taste some? This is for Caitlin.
Oh my god.
And then us and Laura can eat the regular ones. You want the big one? Yeah. Oh, okay. You know what? You just grabbed it.
That's so weird because mine is like the perfect temperature and it's easy to hold.
Grab this one, grab this one.
Oh,
Why would you do
I'm eating this one. Cheers.
Cook.
Clink, clink. Yeah, clink the nuts on her.
I chose.
Yeah.
Eat it. This is so good.
This is so good.
I don't know what your guys' taste like, but this one's even like really good.
I feel like I'm in the motherland.
No.
This is like exactly like Squid Game. This is like exactly like a part in Squid Game.
Where they have to eat treats. Yeah. Oh my god.
Wow.
I see the steam coming off.
Embracing our Korean heritage by eating a sweet treat like Squid Game.
Yeah, like the people in Squid Game.
This is the ASMR video you guys wanted.
Wait, can everyone chew as loud as they can for like 5 seconds?
Yeah.
Okay. That was awesome.
There's like probably peanut particles flying everywhere.
It's like, why does my throat like feel really weird
Tight right now. Yeah. Andrew, you ate that giant one so fast.
You want water?
Oh my god.
This guy's a
You wanna
beast.
wash your hands first. You got peanut hands, bro.
You guys made that so quickly too. That's crazy.
Yeah, it was actually pretty easy. Every day when I was making these recipes, I thought they would take like 40 minutes, but they were really like 15. I was like, wow, maybe I am grown now. Because last time I made these, I was a kid. I'm like, yo, maybe I am a grown woman.
Wow.
I am.
Electric.
That was electric.
What was that thing that you've been saying? Is it ooh la la?
Ooh la la.
How do you feel, Andrew?
On a scale of 1 to 10, it is bussin'.
This is
Yeah.
a huge, major 9.5.
Major.
If it was in its true form, I'd give it a 10. But
Yeah.
I'm getting the poor man's.
Verge.
This bowl's my peanut table.
Yeah.
You know, because I sit at the peanut table.
At elementary school.
Yeah.
Oh my
In the
god.
cafeteria.
Yeah. I should have given my own like table over there and you guys all eat together and I'm just off to the side.
This was a truly delicious and so amazing experience.
Are you doing another one tomorrow?
This is my last day. I'm doing a 5-day business week of Korean meals.
Because in Korea they don't have weekends.
Yeah, in Korea they don't have weekends, so I had to just cut to a
The
5
Korean
day.
calendar only has 5 days on it, so in case you guys didn't know.
Yeah. No, it's a joke. Andrew's like, what?
I was like, no way.
This is the one that Andrew folded over 100 times, so it has like layers of pockets.
No, that was
Which
really
one?
yummy.
I don't know if it's in focus.
Everyone Vogue.
Look at the layers.
Me dabbing. Cut that
I
part
saved the
out.
rest of my
No,
top
Can you cut me dabbing out?
No, I'll make that the intro. Laura Dab.
What's up, you guys?
What? Oh, your septum is like crooked.
So bad, we gotta read this again.
Oh, we have to redo the video now. Music break.
Music break.
Hey Andrew, look above you.
What?
Look at the wall above you. Have you noticed that before?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love that. This guy is fitted. Andrew sitting on the poop nuts couch. Yo. So that is it for our week of Korean meals. Andrew, thank you for joining me for like 3 out of 5 meals.
Bam.
What was your favorite one you ate this week?
You confused me so much I don't know the name of it. The candlestick noodle.
Tteokbokki?
Tteokbokki.
Yeah, those were really good. My favorite was still the veggie pancakes, but also this and tteokbokki were so good. Everything this week was really good.
Delicious.
Except for the jajangmyeon, the noodles.
Oh.
That was a really sad L.
What'd you make that with?
I made it with Tug one night. In the video, he says his name is Tug.
Oh.
I'm just gonna leave it and
Tug.
let people think that. This was kind of so amazing. Literally, to eat delicious foods every day was the best experience. I'm so glad we did this. And you get to eat a bunch of them with me. me.
Yeah.
It's awesome. Well, anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you learned a little something and try out some of the meals too. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you again later. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.